Hi everyone. A new ad found on Facebook about Hazeln, a discount store that has multiple design of Christmas trees, dried wreath, tabletop trees, and many of other Christmas designs collections. In today's video, I'll talk about whether could you purchase any items from Hazeln, or it's a scam. So I'll start to give some red and green flags, red for negative points and the green flags for positive points. There is no social media icons to promote the products and see customer reviews. They have a strict return and refund policy, as many fake stores do. And they don't have a return address. There is a phone number found to contact with customer support, but has no answer. An email was found with no reply for messages that mean you'll not be able to contact with the customer support or refund a product. By reading their who is information. The domain name was registered on August 16, 2023, and will expire in August 15, 2024. Photos of the products are available. There is no customer reviews for the products. Price are very cheap. We've found that this website has a low trust score. It seems that this site may be a scam, or may indicates that fewer users are using it. This makes it very hard for a brand new website to launch the business. Promote the products. Get customers to buy them. Use them. And then have the time to leave the reviews. There are many reasons why you should check all details before buying anything. Based on the information available. At last, there are many red flags, and these are reasons why you should ask before shopping from Hazeln website. If you have shopped at Hazeln and are concerned about your transaction, it is important to contact your bank or financial institution to have the transaction cancelled and your money refunded. Leave a comment if you have a note to help others. Thank you for watching.